This morning, we learned the name of the motorcyclist who died after colliding with a car in Del Mar. He was 22-year-old Alexander Williams. This happened yesterday at the intersection of Via de la Valle and Jimmy Durante Boulevard about 6:30 last night. Sheriff deputies say Williams was trapped under the front of that car. Witnesses describe what they saw.
The motorcycle kept going and his body just stopped. So I looked at him and I'm like, we need to do something, you know? And so people were kind of running towards the body and people were kind of yelling, like, don't touch him. He's not moving. He's not breathing.
Boy, you can see how shaken she is. Williams died at the scene. Via de la Valle there had to be closed for the investigation, but it has since reopened.